lana kule recording sizobe siphendula ama numerical problems, or sizobe senza ama numerical exercise, meaning that ama problems involve all of the theorems. These are exam type questions or class test type of questions. Questions ongawathola in a class test or an exam. So lana so besiphendula wona. So for instance, ungathola a problem like this exercise yokuqala le. You are expected or expected to apply any of the 9 theorems, right? In the description box uzothola ama links for videos for all of the theorems from theorem 1 all the way up to theorem 9, as well as ama exercise involving this mixed exercise or this numerical exercise. Check it out at the end of this recording. Now, exercise 1. Aim in this recording is just to show you with problems in Euclidean geometry ngawatheklisha kanjani. So the first thing ozoyifuna or into ofuna ukuyichecka kuqala is to find ama keywords. Number 2, check for all the given information. Make it a habit ukuthi whenever uthola a statement like this one, uyasifunda, uyas-understanda, highlight ama keywords as well as the given information. So nasi statement sethu sifunde ngale ndlela le. O is the center. Center is a keyword of the, okay. O is the center of the circle. Center is the keyword. AB, now AB la. AB is the diameter. AOC is equal to 104. AOC now la. AOC it's 104 degrees. A highlighter, and then DAB is equal to 32 degrees. So yeah, now information is given. It's 104, no 35, no 32 degrees. Keywords diameter nani ne center. These keywords are actually ukuthi uzosebenzisa map ama theorems kakhulu in this problem. Yes. Bese bathi calculated the size of angle D. So first problem number 1. A, so calculate to D. We want to calculate D. Now, the question okomele uzubuze yona ukuthi what am I given la? Right? Ama values abangiphe wona. Bangiphe 32, bangipha no 104. Mina ngifuna ucalculate to D, but mara mina ngifuna ucalculate to D. Udinga umcalculate kanjani using 32 and low 104. Right, or low 104. Asitale ngalo 32. How can I use the 32 to calculate to D? Using any of the theorems? Of course, none. Right? U-D bengakhona ukumcalculator if I had le angle yala. This is a triangle. Uyabona? Sum of angles in a triangle, then I can calculate ubani u-D. But unfortunately anginayo le angle, and it's gonna be almost impossible to see calculator le angle there. So what do we do next again? 32 akanceda ukuthi ngicalculate to D, then umuvela ku 104. 104 and D, there is a theorem esingayisebenzisa to calculate to D. Check this out. Nali backs la. Theorem number 2. Theorem number 2. So therefore angle D, angle at center 104 degrees is equal to 2 times the angle at circumference. Angle at center equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Now so this is theorem bani, theorem number 2. Center is what we can apply theorem 1, theorem 2, or theorem 7. Let's apply theorem number 7. That's why you need to highlight them keywords. Therefore, angle D is divided both sides by 2 la. Then in total to D is equal to 104 divided by 10. That's 52, but as we show, okay, 52 degrees. So lana it's 52 degrees. Nice. Okay. C3. C3. This is the second question ke manje. D u52 la, right? D. Remember, usebenzisa the given information, then uyazibuza ukuthi how can I calculate the unknown using the given. Now, njengoba uceda calculate D, lo D angakunceda ukuthi ucalculate ubani u-C3. The same thing applies with C3. C3 uzokunceda ukuthi ucalculate ubani u-A1, as well as u-D nayo uzokunceda ukuthi ucalculate ubani u-A1. But ungazilimithi only ku D nalo C3. Also check as well as for 104 as well as ubani u-32. That's the logic la. Keywords, given information. Nangabe calculator the unknown, kwamele uzibuze ukuthi how can I use the given to calculate the unknown. Asiye ku B ke manje. C3 sifuna calculate C3 manje. C3. By the way, we also have a bow tie la. Ngiyathemba ukuthi uyayibona le bow tie, right? Theorem bani? Theorem 4. C3 yana is equal to, sifuna calculate to C3. How can I use 52 to calculate to C3? Nah, angikhona ukumsebenzisa uluka u52 to calculate u-C3, and there's also no theorem connecting u52 as well as ubani u-C3. How about u32 ke? Yes, u32 u-A2, this angle le 32, this angle 32 as well as u-C3, they are equal because of angles in the same segment. A3 is equal to A2. They are both equal to bani 32 degrees. Angles in same segment. In the same segment. Theorem bani? Theorem 4. It's because of this bow tie, right? So A1 asiye ku C, A1 C3 is told to 32 la. 32. How about A1 ke? A1. There's nothing okay, siyazibuza ke futhi C1 umthathapo C1, I mean A2, A1, I mean A1 sifuna le angle yala A1. How can I calculate A1 get this time? Can I use the 32 to calculate to A1? Nope. Unless batizegiti this line AB bisects angle A. If this angle A nangu A la was being bisected by this line ga AB, then it means the angle le it's equal to this angle. Unfortunately abasitshelanga ukuthi this angle is being bisected, so 32 anyeka sincede nga next. How about 52? Nope, there's no theorem connecting 52 no A1, right? So 32 no 52, they are out of the picture. And then with 32 nae, this 32 anyeka sincede nga next. How about 104? Check out AOC. This triangle ga AOC is an isosceles triangle, right? Ready? AO is equal to OC. This is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, it means that A1 no C1, they are both equal. Right? They are both equal. Therefore, bheka ke manje la. Therefore, bheka sifuna A1 angisho. So sizothi A1 plus C1 plus O1 equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in triangle, right? But A1 is equal to C1. Why? It's because of side opposite. Lama sides lawa opposite asinikeza ini ama equal angles. Side opposite equal angles. side are opposite, they give us ama-equal angles. Naso okay. Therefore, since ngifuna calculate to A1, I can just say A1 plus A1. La kuno C1 khona ngiyofaka A1 plus 104 is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, A1 plus A1 is 2A1 equal to I think 180 minus in transposer law 104, and then divide both sides by 2. Therefore, A1 was over equal to 180 minus 104 is equal to divided by 2, total 38. So A1 is equal to 38 degrees. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. A1 is equal to 38 degrees. Now, sesifuna calculate ubani C2. C2 ngiyomcalculate njani ke manje? Okay. Ngathi sekuba noisy la. Athi ngenze so. Diagram yami siba noisy manje. But ungakhohlwa lama values siqeda uwacalculate. A1, C3 as well as UD. Ungawakhohlwa. D, C3, A1. Now sifuna ucalculate to C2. Okay. Ungakhohlwa basiphe nani ne diameter futhi, right? Basiphe ne diameter futhi la. A2 nginaye, A1 nginaye, uD I do have, C3 I do have, as well as C1 I do have. A1 zitheni u-A1 ulingana nobani no C1. A1 ulingana nobani no C1 because of side opposite equal angles. So like about 38 nalana kube ubani 38, we also have this angle yala. Now sifuna ubani C2. Ngiyamcalculate njani C2 ke manje? How do I calculate to C2 ke manje? Definitely le angle yala iyodwa, anyeke khona ukunginceda ukuthi ngicalculate to C2. As well as this angle yala iyodwa, anyeke khona ukunginceda ukuthi ngicalculate to C2. As well as this angle yala, as well as this angle yala, as well as this angle yala, right? Unless maybe ngabu B benginaye, since A1 nginaye, then I can nah. But check something, because of we have a diameter la, it allows us to use theorem bani, theorem 3, meaning I can calculate the angle ga C as a whole. Atingenza so D I can calculate to angle C as a whole. Angle C will be equal to 90 degrees because of this diameter, right? Because of this diameter, C is equal to 90 degrees angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Therefore, angle C ungakhohlwa, angle C as a whole is equal to C1 plus C2, C3 plus C2. So therefore C1 simcalculatile yeah, C1 ungakhohlwa C1 ulingana no A1. Therefore C1 is equal to 38 plus ngitheni in case you are in case ukhohliwa athi ngibhale so C2 plus C3 is equal to 90 degrees. C1 amhlanganisa no C2 no C3, you should get ubani angle C, right? Therefore angisana space la. Okay, I think ngiqhubeke somewhere la. Therefore C1 is equal to 38. Ungakhohlwa C1 ulingana no A1 plus C2 is something engifunayo, le angle engifunayo. C3 ngimcalculateile ubani 32 is equal to 90 degrees. 38 plus 32 60 u 70, so 70 plus C2 is equal to 90 degrees. C2 is equal to 90 minus 70, 80, 90. So our answer like about 20 degrees. So our C2 is equal to 20 degrees. Sometimes amanye questions adinga ukuthi ucabange creatively or outside the box. Nangithi outside the box, it's not like kwamele apply now apply theorem, kwamele apply theorem 1 or theorem 2 or theorem 3 bese uthola i-answer. No. You need to think creatively. Yabona njengala besifuna lo angle C2, there was no theorem ebesingayi apply directly bese sinikeza ubani u-C2 directly, yabona. Instead si apply theorem bani, theorem 3, right? Wasinikeza this whole angle, sa set up an equation ezosivumela ukuthi sicalculate lo C2 wethu la, right? So that's one way of looking at ama Euclidean geometry problems, right? So now exercise yokugcina ke. Okay, exercise number 2. Again, number 1, you look for keywords. Number 2, you look for the given information. We have to underline konke lo, right? Okay, O is the center. Center, theorem 1, theorem 2, and theorem 7. This is the center of the circle O. STU is a tangent. Tangent involve ubani, theorem 9, 8, nobani, no theorem 7. And then chord BC is equal to chord CT, low theorem 4. Nakanjan, you apply theorem 4. ATC, this angle yala basiphe yona 105, and then CTU, this angle yala basiphe yona ubani 40 degrees. Calculate the size of A2. T3 or CTU, this angle ga 40 degrees la. Lana kuno 105 degrees. Sifuna calculate to A2 ke manje. How can I use this angle ga 105 degrees to calculate to A2? Bengakhona ukusebenzisa 105 if this angle yala C3 was given, bengisebenzisa sum of angles in a triangle to calculate to A2. Unfortunately asinayo. So we move to the next given angle 40 degrees. Yes, this one ingakhona ukusinceda ukuthi calculate to A2. Singasebenzisa which theorem a connector A2 no 40 degrees. It's theorem number 9. So A2 is equal to 40 degrees, theorem 9, tan chord theorem, right? Tan chord theorem. B, A1. Sifuna A1 ke manje. We want to A1 ke now. A1 yizwa bathini la, chord BC, le chord le BC is equal to chord bani CT, chord CT. Ngicela calculator le angle yala. This A2 is also equal to A1. Can you guess why? Now ucabanga why ulingana no A2 and they are both equal to 40 degrees. This is theorem number 4. Equal chords, sitama equal chords subtend equal angles at circumference. So A1 or A2 they are found at the circumference. So equal chords, the chord le ilingana na le chord le is given. I'm not assuming anything, it's given. Equal chords subtend equal angles at circumference. That's the reason, Gela, right? That's the reason. C, B1 and B2. So since lana lingana, it's 40, nalana it's 40. How can I use these angles instead of calculator in the given to calculate to P1 and P2? Mina ngibona ni cyclic quad la. There's also a cyclic quad. This is a cyclic quad. Definitely the angle le iyodwa anyeke incede ukuthi ngicalculate B1 plus B2, as well as this 40 degrees I1 anyeke ancede ukuthi ngicalculate B1 plus B2. 105, think about it. How about 40 degrees lo? Naye anyeke asincede, but 105 angakhona ukusinceda. Since lo 105 the B1 and B2, B1 plus B2 nalo 105 degrees nangibahlanganisa, they should give me 180 degrees. Opposite angles in cyclic quad are supplementary in a cyclic quad. Therefore B1 plus B2, they are both equal to 180 minus 105 degrees. So lana kuno theorem 5 as well as theorem 6 because of this cyclic quad, right? So nazo 180 minus 105 is equal to 75 degrees. So lana is 75 degrees. D, the last one, C2, sifuna u-C2 ke manje. C2 ngiyomcalculate njani ke u-C2? How can I calculate u-C2? Alright, C2, how about senze so? C2 kuzoba i-challenge yakho ke. Kuzoba i-challenge yakho. Nangabe uyayithola i-answer, ibhale in the comment section of this video. Then sizoyidiscuss as well. So yeah, video yethu izophelela lana. In the description box as well uzothola an exercise ongayenza regarding ama numerical exercise. So lana the takeaway, into ongahamba nayo regarding ama numerical exercise or numerical problems is that thatha ama keywords, underline ama keywords, and then underline as well as the given information. So the given information izokunceda ukuthi ucalculate the unknown values. So our video phelela lana. I hope there's something uyigainile out of this discussion. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ungakhohlwa ukushare, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe nangabe new to this channel. So yeah, thanks for watching. Asibonane on the next one. Ungakhohlwa ukuchecka i-description box. There's more content ongayibukela. So yeah, asibonane on the next video. Bye bye.